Hi, this is Jay, and here is another book that I used stickers and magazine images. It's mostly birds, except for a couple of pages on the inside. So I really liked this magazine description, and so I didn't do anything to it. Just added my birds. It's 4 by 5 on toilet paper rolls, cardboard. Now, all day intensity excellence. Life is about moments. Maps and miles. Here's the page where I didn't use birds and I used a different sticker set. Not sure, should I remove these pages because it's not birds? Lands and inspire. And up here I punched through, it says things to do, beaches, simple ribbon and holes binding.